गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाईस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories, all glories. Srila Gurupada Padma Nitrila Pravishtam Vishnupada Stotra Shata Sri Srimad Bhakti Pramad Puri Goswami Thakur Param Gurupad Padma Nitrila Pravishta Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. Also all the bona fide Acharya and Vaishnava in our Sampradaya. Please bestow all of your mercy to us in order to carry the loving mission of Lord Chaitanya the rest of our life with purity, right? So, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told by one devotee that this question is this: Guru ki Krishna dhane dhani? Is Guru wealthy with Krishna's devotion? Is Guru considering wealthy with Krishna's devotion? We know that person is called wealthy, who has lots of property, right? Then devotee asking this, let me know, is Guru considering wealthy with Krishna's devotion? Prabhupada answering, Bhagavaner Malik Shri Gurudev, the owner of Bhagavan, God, Krishna, is Gurudev. We can see there is Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Krishna se tomar Krishna dite paro tomar sakati ache আমি তো কাঙাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধাই তব পাছে পাছে। Krishna is your. You are eligible to give me Krishna, therefore I am running behind you as a beggar and begging, give me Krishna. This is our previous teacher explained. So, owner of Krishna is Gurudev. What type of Gurudev? Like me? No. That Gurudev is like a purest devotee of Lord. Like Gaur Kishore Das Maharaj, my Gurudev, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. ভগবান শ্রীকৃষ্ণ শ্রী গুরুদেবের সম্পত্তি বা ধন। লর্ড কৃষ্ণ মানে গুরুদেবের ওয়েলথ only is Krishna. Lord Sri Krishna, nothing else. Who is the owner of the whole universe? Who is the owner of the whole universe? Krishna. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Krishna. So Krishna is owner of the whole universe. Gurudeva have Krishna, right? So Bhagavan Shri Krishna, Gurudeva Sampatti Vadhan. Lord Krishna is wealth of Gurudev. So, who is owner of the whole universe? If he is with Gurudev, or if Gurudev, if he is the wealth of Gurudev, then Gurudev is real wealth or not? We are thinking this opulence is our wealth. But Krishna is owner of all opulences, absolutely. Right? Absolutely. Absolute opulence, absolute fame, absolute beauty. Aishwaryasya samaggarsya birjasya, absolute power, absolute knowledge, absolute renunciation. All absolute manner, all the opulences. Krishna have. Gurudev have Krishna. So really Guru wealthy or not? Definitely Krishna, Gurudev wealthy. Right? এই জন্য গুরুই ভগবানকে দিতে পারেন। Therefore, Guru is eligible to give us Bhagavan, Krishna. This is called. এই জন্য গুরুই ভগবানকে দিতে পারেন। Therefore, so Gurudev is eligible to give us Lord Krishna, Bhagavan. Gurur prasadei Krishner kripa or darshan labh হবে। By the mercy of Guru, spiritual master, we can have Krishna's mercy, Krishna's kripa, and we can able to get darshan, one view of Lord Krishna. Am I clear? So Bhagavan, Guru, by the mercy of Gurudev, we are able to get Krishna's mercy and Krishna's darshan, viewed of Krishna. We can get viewed of Krishna. As soon as I get the darshan, viewed of Krishna with our eyes, then no material dust in our consciousness. Material dust means name, material desire, name, material recognition, appreciation, name, fame, distinction, desire, finish. This over, Prabhu. ভগবত দর্শন করা মানে কি? What is the meaning of ভগবত দর্শন? Means get viewed of Supreme Lord. Like Prabhu? Yes. ভগবত দর্শন করার অর্থ, the meaning of the Bhagavad Darshan, viewed of Lord Krishna, Srila Prabhupada wrote in English, 100% engagement of the senses in the service of Godhead, not 50%, 100%. 100% means this is 100% engagement, 100% engagement. It's not like that, okay, 50% I will engage, 50% I can engage myself, other part, right? Material duties. But material duties, if it is connected with Krishna, then it is also considered to be 100%. Do you understand what he says? Material duties like Krishna's family. For Krishna's family, we have to cook. For cooking, you have to go to market. To buy from market, we have to need money. For money, you have to work. Right? Everything considered like a Krishna service, 100% engagement. Or if our purpose of family life for material enjoyment, of course, material enjoyment, there is no material enjoyment. No enjoyment, just suffering, but we feel it is enjoyment. But if we keep Krishna in the middle of our family, middle of our ashram, if a household are thinking, I am going to marry for establishing Krishna service. Right? Then marriage means family, family means expenses, family, we need all only money, right? Business. But problem is this, nowadays, people wants to stay away from the liabilities. Like a temple. I think nowadays, temple like one center to get some privilege. Be away from our liability. So people have some family quarrel. They're coming to home. Family quarrel. Away from the responsibilities. Or they are coming to home with families. Then we are getting job, that's like a collection. Getting collection. Because if I want to go work outside, I can get maximum 7,000-8,000, like he says. It's a calling center, call center job. At night, a whole night, 12 hours in a month, right? In a month, he will get 8,000 rupees. Then I say, why you run behind that? Better to study. Increase about that, study, have no money. Right? Then I say, we can pay off. How much? He said, 20,000, one semester. Right? 6 months, one semester, right? 6 months, one semester, I can pay for it, no problem. Whole night, 12-hour job, 8,000 rupees. But if you come to temple, you can have respect. Big people, like a Modi also come to and touch your feet. Modi, Bill Gates, Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, Anil Agarwal, big, huge, you know. Vedanta group. Everybody come to your feet. To whom if you have to meet, if you ordinary without devotee designation, if you go there, you have to cross so many secretary, you may reach, you may not reach them. But those people coming to you with pranami, good amount of pranami, and paying obeisance you, and folded palm telling you, give me your mercy, please. So, this is nice. With family, I'm staying in the temple, I am getting commission, how much I collect. 8,000 rupees you can collect if you stay in temple, if you are a good collector, good orator and collector, you can get in one day. In one day you can get it. I'm telling you about Indian conception. But there are so many rich people going there. They are thinking, like I heard his brother, his family, 2 daughters, right? He has lots of money, big house in Bangalore. Putting tilak, Hare Krishna. People are thinking they are big devotees. Speaking like this. Yes. Krishna will arrange all in your favor. Such type of artificial will not give us Krishna. It is artificial, kirtim. So therefore I am telling you that saint person means, what I say, household life also becomes saint person if we keep fully for the service of Lord. Like my grandfather, I can tell you, my grandfather, his philosophy was establish Krishna's family and serve temple. Financially, physically, mentally serve temple. Don't take anything from temple. He established 5 factories.
Still.
Now everything is small because of union, labor union. Still have 3, but we have 3 factories.
Steel, lower.
No, this is mustard oil.
Mustard oil.
Mustard oil now is a cement, now has steel, what is that? Everything there. Hardware, spare parts, many type of business. Seasonal food, crops, seasonal crops business. All business there. Still, grandfather not there, but he established a system that we should not take anything from temple. Rather, we should, if we take anything from temple, we have to pay double to temple. In this regard, we have to go work outside, earn money, and support temple. That is okay. But when we are avoiding our liabilities, whatever liability I have family, if I go work outside, I can get like 8,000 rupees for 12 hours work. And I can have in the temple outfit, little bit outfit, tilak, temple stamp. Then I can collect money and I can get commission more than 8,000 one day. Why are you work? Such type of understanding to join temple, it is not saint person engagement. It is called getting advantage. Getting our advantage. I've seen your all godfathers and our followers. they are taking salary, I heard, 80,000, 100,000 rupees.
Even though it's completely forbidden.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said no selling.
So this is but Prabhupada, what he said, that you have to understand. 10% engagement of the senses, in the service of Godhead. Whatever our sense, if you have little bit desire for our own sense gratification in temple, this is not 10%.
Then it becomes karma. You take money,
Yeah.
and then it's karma. It's not about sin.
Therefore, my grandfather, when I used to go with him in Adi Math, because his Gurudev was Math, Adi Math, Chaitanya Math, he used to I saw whatever office fixed the rate, he is paying according to the office. The rest of the money he paid for box collection, that box. Then I said, why you are not giving there? Then he used to say, service should be hidden. Right hand what he rendered service, left hand should not know. Then Krishna will accept. Otherwise, my false ego will come down. I am giving donation such amount of money. Even my Gurudev also. I think I explained that. One day, I heard that there is a society, whoever collect how much money, after Mangalarati they are declaring their name, and after that everybody clapping. Ha 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 ha. Competition to collect money. But my spiritual master, he taught us, if anyone giving some money with some expectation, like sign in my father name, mother name, whatever, Krishna will not accept that service. So one day, Ila Nandi, one old lady named Ila Nandi, Ila Nandi gave 4,000 rupees, not for much money. And I'm talking about 1988, 1988, that year. 4,000 rupees to make like a tulsis, tulsis mancham in our temple. And Gurudev took the money. After a few months he came, he said, Maharaj, should I prepare that sign for my husband? Then Gurudev turned his face towards me. Do you have money? Yes, I have. Give him 4,000 rupees. Give her 4,000 rupees. Then she becomes surprised. Why? Because then Gurudev says, Ma, this is an old lady, Ma, I don't like to cheat you. You have some intention to give the donation. With the intention, Lord will not accept your service. Why I cheat you? You can find someone outside, so many other temples, you can give them, they can do it for your husband. No, Maharaj, don't do that. I don't want anything, any name. You can see our Mayapur temple, Puri temple, Vrindavan temple, wherever our temple, you cannot see any name out there. Whoever give donation without any intention, we are accepting that. In that we are running temple. We are not rich, but we have no loan. Hand to mouth managing, but it's okay. We have no opulence.
Answer Krishna's one.
Yeah. So, cent percent engagement of the senses in the service of Godhead, arthat, that means, I full stop E, 24 ঘন্টার মধ্যে 24 ঘন্টায় সর্বেন্দ্রিয় ভগবানের সেবায় আত্মধর্ম প্রতিষ্ঠা ও ভগবত দর্শন 24 hours. Fully engaged, wholeheartedly, fully engaged to serve Lord with Atma Dharma for soul consciousness, for establishing soul consciousness. That is called Bhagavad Darshan. That is called view of Lord, Supreme Lord. For establishing soul consciousness. Why? Soul is spark of tiny. One soul is a ray coming from Supreme Lord. When the ray with us, we are alive. When ray off, we are died. That is the conception. Guru kipaya bhajan prabhave antare bahire Krishna spurti Krishna darshan. By the mercy of Guru, when we render service wholeheartedly, faithfully, inside and outside, sometimes our faith become artificial. In front of, I can see, in front of Guru we are very humble, polite. Behind Guru we are like a lion. Right? It's not like that. Guru kripa bhajan prabhave. Bhajan means service. Bhajadhatu sevayam, service. Bhajan prabhave, by the mercy of Guru, we have influence to serve Lord inside, outside, antare bahire. Krishna spurti. Become blissful, inside, outside, be blissful. With the service. That is called Krishna. That is the view of Krishna. Krishna darshan means not like go to the temple and put it out, Lord, please arrange all in my favor. I can collect at least 2 lakh rupees today, then 30% commission, 60,000 rupees I will get it. One day I can collect, I can give you. That is the Krishna darshan. That is called to engage Krishna for our services. No in expectation. Bhakti means like that, no expectation. Only expectation, Krishna, please engage me more and more to serve you. No? Am I clear? So, Bhagavad Darshan means wholeheartedly, without any artificial activities, engaged our all senses, 24 hours. Our all senses engaging 24 hours to serve Krishna. That is called Bhagavad Darshan. Therefore, I think I explained once or twice in this trip. Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj, once he told by Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. That time Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj's Brahmachari was Brahmachari. His Brahmachari name was Hayagriva Brahmachari. Hayagriva Prabhu, what's make you more happy in your life? And Hayagriva Prabhu immediately answered, Prabhupada, you gave me one seva, service. I am not finished yet. Give me more service. That makes me more happy. Do you have such consciousness? Do you have such consciousness? We become angry. Hey! Yes. 24 hours. Engage. রাধাপ্রিয়া তুমি কি ঝগড়া করো তো কত ঘন্টা ঝগড়া করো? উৎপল তো রাধাপ্রিয়া তোমার প্রতিদিন কতক্ষণ ঝগড়া করে দিনে? সময় নাই। ওই 24 ঘন্টায় মানে কৃষ্ণ সেবা ব্যস্ত থাকতে হবে, তবে হবে কৃষ্ণ দর্শন। বুঝলে? হ্যাঁ বাবু, so she only knows Bengali. That's why I have to speak little bit in Bengali. But I am reading Bengali.